Happy and proud sa lahat ng teammates ko. Hindi lang dito sa game na to, but during practices, talagang binibigay na namin lahat para ready and prepared talaga kami in today's game. So, yun, nakaka-proud. Everyone stepped up. And actually, for me, one thing na nakaka-proud, talagang inaccept namin lahat kung ano yung trabaho, roles na ibibigay sa amin para pagdating ngayon na handa lahat. Every game kasi do or die ata yung game. So, siguro mentality ko coming into every match is to give my all talaga. There's nothing to lose na eh. Basta ibigay mo yung, I think yun yung nasa isip ko. If ibigay mo lahat, wala kang ititira, may reward yun. Kung ano man yung reward na yun, sa dulo ko pa malalaman. So, in the past few games, kahit paano binibigay namin lahat, nakadalawang panalo kami, isa napakaganda rin ng game against Signal. So, ganun lang yung mentality. Kung ipapasok kung ano, gagawin lang yung trabaho and ibibigay buong puso. Honestly, nakakamiss din yung feeling na do or die games kasi it's really a privilege to be at this point, most especially for our team na kahit medyo veteran team na kami, we need that eh. Kasi ngayon lang ulit kami na kompleto. So this is a character building experiences for us to get to know more about ourselves, most especially yung growth namin siguro okay naman individually but as a team, kailangan namin to for our growth.